DIY home decor, affordable and stylish ideas. Decorating your home can be an expensive affair, but it doesn't have to be. With a little creativity and effort, you can transform your space into a stylish oasis without breaking the bank. DIY home decor is a great way to save money while adding a personal touch to your living space. In this article, we will explore some affordable and stylish ideas to help you get started. Create a gallery wall. Gallery walls are a great way to display art and photographs without having to spend a lot of money on frames. You can use anything from thrift store finds to your own artwork to create a cohesive and personalized display. To get started, choose a focal point for your gallery wall and build around it. You can use a variety of frame sizes and shapes to create visual interest and depth. Add some greenery. Plants are a great way to add color and life to any space. You can use anything from small succulents to large, leafy plants to create a natural and calming atmosphere. If you're short on space, consider hanging plants or creating a vertical garden. You can also use old tin cans or mason jars as planters to add a rustic touch to your decor. Upcycle old furniture. Upcycling is a great way to give old furniture a new lease on life. You can repaint or refinish an old dresser or desk to create a stylish and unique piece. You can also use old pallets to create a rustic coffee table or bookshelf. Upcycling not only saves you money, but it also helps reduce waste and is a more sustainable option. Create a cozy reading nook. A cozy reading nook is the perfect place to relax and unwind after a long day. You can create a reading nook by using a comfortable chair or chaise lounge, adding some soft lighting, and adding some cozy blankets and pillows. You can also add a small side table to hold your favorite books and a cup of tea. Use mirrors to create the illusion of space. Mirrors are a great way to create the illusion of space and light in a small room. You can use a large mirror to reflect light and create a sense of depth in your living space. You can also use smaller mirrors to create a focal point and add visual interest. Create a DIY headboard. A DIY headboard is a great way to add style and personality to your bedroom without spending a lot of money. You can use anything from reclaimed wood to fabric to create a unique and personalized headboard. A DIY headboard is also a great way to add a pop of color or pattern to your bedroom decor. Add some color to your decor. Color is a great way to add personality and style to any room. You can use anything from bold accent walls to colorful throw pillows to add a pop of color to your decor. If you're not sure where to start, consider using a color wheel to help you choose complementary colors. Create a DIY photo display. A DIY photo display is a great way to showcase your favorite memories without having to spend a lot of money on frames. You can use anything from clothespins to twine to create a unique and personalized photo display. You can also use washi tape or stickers to add a pop of color or pattern to your display. Use area rugs to define spaces. Area rugs are a great way to define spaces and add warmth to your living space. You can use a large area rug to define a seating area or a smaller rug to define a reading nook. Area rugs also help protect your floors and add visual interest to your decor.